Here we are during a practice session. I'm posting this video because I'm certain that the Week 6 Wednesday Night League session will be postponed due to Hurricane Milton, and I'd like to continue posting 2 videos a week. This practice session was recorded the Sunday morning prior to Hurricane Milton's predicted landfall. I'm pretty pleased with the results of Game 1. There were frames where I wasn't as accurate as I would like to have been with the first ball, but thankfully I didn't leave any difficult spares, and I was able to make everything that I left. By the way, I started this game with no warm-up. The first ball I threw in the first frame was the first ball I threw this day. I was much more accurate with the first ball during Game 2. However, I missed a couple of spares and that caused the score not to be as high as Game 1. Also, after I threw the strike in the first rack of the 10th frame, I didn't wait for the ball to come back. Instead, I reflexively grabbed another ball from the ball return. Because it wasn't the same ball, it came off my hand differently, which caused me to pull it to the left. I feel like the split in the 7th frame was a bad break, but then I got lucky in the second rack of the 10th frame, so maybe it all worked out. Overall, I think this was good practice. I hope to bowl at least this well during my next league session, which will hopefully be Monday. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.